Hi, my name is Robert Miller. I falsely confessed to killing and raping 2 elderly women, and I am innocent.
What?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting.
Mr. Miller, thanks for coming down to the precinct. So, tell me what you want to tell me.
Well, I've got these powers. I can see things through the killer's eyes.
Really?
I was dreaming about it one night, probably almost the same night it happened. I have these dreams like that, come to me all the time.
Would it help if we prayed?
I think so.
Okay, I brought a Bible with me. Alright, let's pray together. Let's cast the demons out. Lord, help us cast these demons out. Help him see things. Help him bring back the memories. Are they coming to you? Is it working?
Yeah.
It's working. What do you see? What do you see? Is it coming back?
What?
No? It's not. You need to talk. What did you see?
I can't talk.
Yes, you can. You have these visions. What did you see?
I can't remember.
I'm giving you one more chance. What did you see? What can you tell me?
I don't remember, sir.
What did you see?
I can't talk! I don't remember!
What did you see? What did you see?
I'll talk.
With the Bible in front of you, please repeat to the camera what you just told me.
I had visions from the Lord. An angel came to me. I assume it was my grandmother warning me. Someone was trying to frame me. I didn't do it. I do not know why I'm here. I'm innocent. I confess, and I shouldn't have. The police forced me into it. I want to leave this place.
The Supreme Court of Denver, Colorado sentences Robert Miller to 725 years in federal prison and 2 death penalties.
Hi, I am Leanne Peters, an appellate lawyer. I have discovered a few new facts about this case. First of all, the names of 23 black men whose blood had been tested for this investigation. Also, the state serologist gave me the names of all the men whose hair had been examined to compare to the hairs found at the crime scene that Robert Miller is accused of. I'm not sure why, but there were 24 hair tests done and only 23 blood tests performed. The extra man is named Ronald Lott. After Miller was taken into custody, after he had made the 12-hour videotape, after the district attorney, Macy, found that the danger had been removed from the community, identical crimes were still continuing. 6 months after District Attorney Macy had announced that Robert Miller was the military park rapist and killer, secret tests were done on Ronald Lott's blood to see if he could be linked to the crimes. Police reports found by Peters and Thompson showed that the detectives considered Lott a strong suspect, not only for the rapes but also in the 2 murders charged to Miller. As I dug deeper into the details about Ronald Lott, I learned the same prosecutor assigned to the Miller trial was also handling the Lott case. Ronald Lott was pleading guilty to the 2 rapes that bore such similarity to the Miller case. Instead, they have heard Ray Elliott argue passionately, "We have a semen donor of an A blood type secretor status. Miller is A blood type secretor status. I will prove otherwise. I have DNA tests clearly excluding Robert Miller. He is not the rapist of either dead woman." Not only have these DNA tests cleared Robert Miller, they point directly at Ronald Lott. This shows that Robert Miller was denied a fair trial because his attorney didn't bring up Ronald Lott as an alternative suspect.
Was it some type of article, or what kind of article was it? Was it a rock? Or was it maybe a clothing item?
Maybe.
Maybe what?
Because it has some clothes missing too at 29th Street.
Well, what kind of clothes?
It might have been something of my hair. I don't know.
Your hair?
Maybe a shoe.
A shoe? That's getting closer.
Maybe a knife he dropped.
I don't know, I thought he used a gun.
Well, all I know is he had on his clothes.
He has clothes on. What could he have forgotten any clothes?
Maybe when he raped her, he left his underwear.
That's it.
Robert, the new public defenders really want you to accept their deal. It involves parole. What do you say?
I will not go ahead with that. I decline.
Mr. Lott, we need to give this man the needle. All you have to do is push these rapes and murders onto Robert Miller. Instead of the possibility of death row, your sentence would be much lower. What do you say?
No, this isn't right. There is no way I'd be able to live with myself. There is no way I'd do this.
I hereby grant Robert Miller chance for appeal.
What's up, Robert? Garvin Isaacs. And I was called by a friend of yours to help with your case. Even though you were exonerated 6 years ago, you are still in jail, and they want to try you again. But we need to fix this. Never been down on death row myself. So what is it like, dude?
You know, I'm a country boy. Grew up outdoors, hunting and fishing. Played basketball outside with relatives and friends. I play basketball here too. It's not the same. Never saw the sun go down or up. Never walked under the moon at night. The whole time I was never heard a bird sing or saw a squirrel running in my path. Never felt the wind on my back or the rain on my face. I never went swimming here. Got my feet wet. Walked up in the mud and felt the mud between my toes.
Bingo, that's my closing argument right there, dude.
Well, do it!
Alright, hold up. I gotta call these people real quick. Alright, cool. Thank you. Alright, dude, so I just called the experts in psychology of confessions and communications to analyze the statements. And one of the top people in the field said he couldn't even call Miller's statement a false confession because it contains so little information about the crime.
Robert Miller, sentenced to 725 years in prison, 2 death penalties, is hereby exonerated.
Thank you, Judge. I've been waiting for this my entire life. I'm free!
Very nice. Woo!